Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make Nagashi Somen. Nagashi Somen is flowing Sōmen noodles, traditionally in a bamboo pipe or a water slide these days. It's a quite fun event in summer. My daughter requested me to make Nagashi Somen because she remembers that she had it when she was 2 years ago at kindergarten. I don't know the exact reason, but the event is removed from most schools these days and also at my daughter's kindergarten. Anyway, I hope you find this video helpful and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Let's make Sōmen dipping sauce. Kayanoya dashi is my favorite. They make vegan dashi as well. It's very easy to use. Simmer one packet for 2 to 3 minutes, then take it out. Season with mirin and soy sauce. Then bring it to a boil. Cool in the fridge until ready to serve. This is the flowing noodle machine I'm going to use. It comes with short instructions, which is good. And it comes with only 4 parts, easy to wash. Here are the toppings I use, but any toppings you like are okay. Last but not least, let's cook the Sōmen noodles. Add Sōmen noodles in boiling water and gently stir. Cook the Sōmen noodles according to your package. Mine was 2 minutes. Drain in a strainer and rinse under running water. Fill water lower than the line indicated, then put the noodles. You can also put some vegetables in the machine, but be careful you don't want to let them stuck in the holes where the air comes out. Now fill water up to the line indicated. Place the topping plate. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It's 金魚が。